There was a petition created on change.org for Reneto Adams to become police commissioner of Jamaica. And it says on the website the petition was created by Teddy Gray of Ocho Rios, Jamaica, and 6,135 people, including myself, have signed the petition. And it says our nation is under search from criminals. 0.1617 of our countrymen and women have been murdered for the last year. 0.42% of them have been murdered in the first 7 days of the year. We met the people of Jamaica are urging and begging the five-member led police service commission please for once to think outside the box by selecting Renito Adams as our next chief. He will boost police morale, which is very lacking now. He's an outside the box person who will find ways to dramatically reduce crime. We ain't going to be naive and think that one person alone can reduce crime. It takes people and a non corrupt free force, more manpower, equipment, and better justice system. But doing the same thing over and over again and expecting the same result is called insanity. We do what we do have to what do we have to lose with Renito Adams as Commissioner of Police? We have nothing to lose. We've been losing the war against crime for decades now. We, the public, are tired of Pastor as our police chief who only find excuses. We need real crime fighters to lead. Whoever wrote this needs some better grammar and some spell check and stuff, but that's neither here nor there. I feel like this is a good way to get our prime minister's attention. I hope he actually listens to the people of Jamaica and actually hire Renito because he wants to work for free, and he said within 6 months he'll reduce crime, and I think he has the willpower and also the tactics to do so. What I'm afraid of though is that they won't hire Anito because they're afraid that all the corruption that's in the government he's going to be exposing, because Juanito is not affiliated with any party. He's not affiliated with JLP or PNP ever. So I think that they're afraid he's going to expose the corruption in the government, and then no one wants to get fired by somebody they hire. So I don't think they're going to do it, but let's hope and see. I'm going to leave the petition link in my description box and also pin it in my comment section. Please sign it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Renito for commission, I will say. I'm here for it when I have nothing to lose, as to what my husband say.